Namaskar. I am AP Ahuja, an environmentalist. As per the news in the Hindustan Times dated June 10, 2025, Delhi boils at 43.4 degrees centigrade. On hottest day, real feel 49 degrees centigrade. Such a heat wave. We can control this heat wave. We can reduce the temperature of atmosphere. We have to design city planning as per nature. Nature friendly city planning and nature friendly road designing. I as an environmentalist have prepared a nature friendly road design and have sent to Honorable Prime Minister and other ministers by email. And this design can help the India and cities of India to control the heat waves, to make the country as beautiful and as comfortable like Switzerland and other comfortable cities, comfortable countries. We can control the heat waves. We have to follow the principles of nature-friendly road design, nature-friendly city planning. When we will make the country environment friendly, our tourism will increase very much. Income of the country will increase, revenue of the country will increase, employment opportunities will increase. Employment will be creating very much for the Yuva PD, and income of the people will increase. And we will become richer and richer. People and country both. Progress will be much faster. We can increase the growth rate of the country and the people very much. Honorable Prime Minister in his speech at many times have commented on Viksit Bharat with environment also. The environment should also be very comfortable, because if the environment is comfortable, efficiency of the people will increase, diseases will reduce, and people will work in a better way. They will enjoy the life, they will enjoy the work, they will enjoy the progress. So, please forward my videos to everyone so that government should listen to my concepts, consider my concepts for discussion, so that country should be benefited, people should be benefited, and country should be made very beautiful, comfortable environment, nature friendly, beautiful, progressive, healthy, happy country. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.